Hello everyone, this is Joseph. You're watching Credit Commit, where we're committed to helping you build credit. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Also, go ahead and hit that like button so that way it helps the YouTube algorithm so other people can see these videos. Today I'm actually going to do an update about my CPN video. I'm going to go ahead and link the old video right up here. This is basically an update because I've been getting a lot of comments about CPNs and people are like, oh, he don't know what he's talking about. What I'm going to talk about today is let's just ask some basic questions about CPNs. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to just do an update asking questions because there's a lot of people leaving comments talking about some CPNs are legal, this and this and that. Let's just ask some basic questions. Where can you buy a CPN from? Where's a physical location I can walk into? Can I walk into like an H&R Block or something and be like, hey, I want to purchase a CPN? You can't. You got to go somewhere in the hood, or you got to go. You got to know somebody that knows somebody that you're gonna purchase a CPN, right? So why can't I go to the store and buy them? They're so legal. Why can't I just go to a store and buy a CPN? Why not? Why do I have to go through your homie in the hood? So you're telling me, let's think about this, right? The IRS is gonna issue it to your homie for me. You know what I'm saying? These are for people that, to prevent identity theft, they're going to give it to your homie for me. How does that even sound? How crazy does that even sound? Why can't I go to the DMV or somewhere official and get the CPN? Why? Why can't I go there? They're legal, right? Why can't I go directly to the source and get them? Why would the IRS issue it to your friend or issue it to you to give to me when you could just put identity theft on me? They wouldn't do that. It just doesn't even make sense. But these are legal, right? Okay, here's another question, right? They're so legal, right? So you give me a CPN, and let's go to a car dealership, and I'm going to be like, hey, I'm going to purchase this with my CPN. I just bought this CPN. Come with me, and I'm going to say I bought it from you. Yeah, I'm going to say I bought it from you. Are you going to stand behind it? Are you going to stand behind your CPN? Come with me to a store and I'm going to apply for a credit card and be like, hey, I'm going to use my new CPN I just purchased from this person right here. Stand behind your product. I don't sell any credit repair services at this moment. Because a lot of people are saying, oh, you're just saying that because you're trying to pitch your credit repair services. I don't even sell credit repair services. So what am I pitching to you? I'm not fixing anybody's credit. So I'm not selling those services to you. So what is it I'm selling again? I'm not selling anything. That's interesting, right? But will you stand behind your product? All I'm saying is just stand behind your product. If you want to sell that product and it's 100% legal, there's nothing for you to hide. There's no reason for you to be all secretive about it and be like, oh, you ain't get it from me. Yeah, I got it from you. It's legal, so it shouldn't be a problem if I tell anybody I get it from you. I'm gonna link your phone number, your Facebook, and everything. Hey, be proud of it. I'm gonna send you business. Let me link it to you. Let me put your address where they can find you. I'm giving you business. I'm gonna give you business. You should be 100% okay with that because it's legal, right? It's legal, so you got nothing to worry about. You're not gonna go to jail, right? Because it's legal. So go ahead and drop all your information below. Drop all your information below so everybody could look you up. It's 100% legal, so stand behind your product. All right, so I also want to touch bases about like the credit repair side of things, right? So let's just put some things into perspective. Let's think about this for a minute, right? Okay, most companies, they sell credit repair. They'll charge you like a monthly fee in order to do it. Some people might charge you a flat fee. Some flat fees range from like $400 to $600, and that'll cover like 6 months, right? Let's go on the high end and let's talk about somebody like maybe Brandon Weaver, right? Brandon Weaver, his services are about $150 a month. All right. And it's going to take about 3 to 6 months, depending on your credit. Could be longer, could be shorter, depending on your credit. Average time about 6 months, let's just say. That 150 times 6 is what? Yeah, okay, I had to do the math. So the 150 times 6 is about $900, right? So he's going to make about $900 off of you doing the credit repair. And he has to send these letters out every month. So there's actually work that has to be done every month in order to keep you. Let's say your card declines one month and he calls you, hey, you know, the payment declined, blah, blah, blah. Now they're chasing you for that $150 a month. You're getting chased for that payment, right? When in terms, I could just sell a CPN. I could sell a CPN for $1,200 to $1,500. Boom, I'll make the money right there on the spot. I don't have to chase you for any monthly payments. I can sell you the CPN for $1,200 to $1,500. Cool. I can offer you trade lines. I can resell those to you and make some profit on those as well. I can also have you sign up for affiliate links for other trade lines. So I can sell you an authorized user. I can make money from you from affiliate links on other trade lines, and I can sell you the CPN and get my money up front. First month, first payment, boom, all my money up front. So why would I even go through the process of doing credit repair and chasing you down and have to do monthly maintenance on your credit report? Like, think about that. I'd have to do more work for less money. Who in their right mind would do that? What credit repair service agency would do more work for less money when you could get all your money up front by selling somebody a CPN and making money by selling them trade lines? But no, only your homeboy in the hood are selling these CPNs. That's very interesting. So these CPNs are supposed to be for people that are trying to protect their identity from identity theft, right? But the IRS is giving them to your homie in the hood to sell to me. That's real interesting. You think somebody's that gullible. You don't want anybody to know where you got it from. So if the cops stop me, hey, where'd you get the CPN from? Oh, I'm going to tell them you. It's 100% legit, right? It's your business, right? Right? Or is that snitching? How would that be snitching? It's 100% legal. Those are just some interesting things. They're 100% legal, but I have to go through you. And nobody else, no corporation is capitalizing on this. Yeah, no corporation is going to capitalize on this. When marijuana becomes legal in a certain state, the corporations are all over. They're eating up all that money. Drug dealers are going straight out of business. So you think they won't do that with a CPN? Oh, because you're smarter than these corporations, right? You're smarter than these corporations, Okay, so you're really smart that you're eating off of this and these corporations are just going to let you sit there and eat off of this because it's 100% legal and you're doing it right. Come on, man. Let's be realistic about this situation, right? My thing is, like, don't sit here and try to preach it's 100% legal, but you won't stand behind that product. I'm not trying to give another rant. I'm just preaching and I'm asking these questions because it's just questions. I want to know the answer to these questions. Are you willing to stand behind it and come with me to the store and let me say, hey, I got this CPN from this person. Ooh, my credit's good. Let's do it. Let's talk about it. Let's do that. You're saying it's legal. Let's do that. Let's just go ahead. I want you to stand behind that product. If I go to California, I could go to the weed shop and be like, man, I bought this from this and this store. The store wants you to do that. The store wants you to share that on social media because it's legal. My CPN from you, I want to be able to blast you all over social media because I'm trying to give you the exposure. You ain't gotta hide because it's 100% legal, right? Don't sit here and try to rob people, man, and lie to them. If it's not 100% legal, keep it 100. Be like, hey, this ain't 100% legit. This ain't legit. But you might be able to grab some stuff off of it because you will. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say you're not going to be able to get it. You might be able to get a car off it. Yeah, you might be able to get some credit cards off it. Yes, you might be able to get some phones off of it. Yeah. But if you get caught, that's your ass. And that's it. Just keep it 100, man. Don't sit here and lie and be like, oh, it's legal, but you won't stand behind it. Just keep it 100, man. Like, yeah, they ain't 100% legal, but shit, I got them. You know what I'm saying? You can do this and this and this off of it, but shit, you know, you got to keep it on the low. Keep it 100, man. Don't sit here and lie to these people because you're going to get these people jammed up. And when they get caught, they're just going to jam you up. Just keep it 100, man. That's all I'm saying. That's the whole point of this video. Don't lie to these people, man. Just don't do that. Other than that, man, sorry for going on another rant, but these are just real questions I want people to actually think about. I want people to actually think about that, man. Like, really, really. Other than that, though, on that note, I'm going to go ahead and head out. Appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate all the subscribers. Go ahead and like this video so that way it helps the YouTube algorithm so other people can see this video as well. And again, I'm not saying you can't get nothing off of it, but I'm just saying it ain't 100% legit either. So fix your own credit. Like, keep it 100, fix your own credit. Unless you're just on some scammy stuff. And on that note, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm out, though. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe below. Click on my face and subscribe. And we got another video over here to the right. We're going to keep it going. I'm going to give you tips, tricks on how to improve your credit. Again, Subscribe below and go to the next video. We're just going to keep it moving. We're going to keep it moving like the next video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You shouldn't be watching this still. You should have been